Once upon a time in a quiet, marshy pond, lived a small, wriggling creature called a mosquito larva, named Dawn. Dawn was different from other larvae. He loved to dance. A unique blend of grace and agility in his aquatic prance. One day, as he danced, he felt a sudden splash. A larger creature had disturbed his tranquil splash. "Who's there?" Dawn asked, his heart filled with fright. "I'm a dragonfly nymph, not a fright," came the reply. "I've never seen a creature dance before," said the nymph. "Your movements are quite a spectacle, just like a whimsical chime." Dawn, surprised, continued his dance with newfound glee. Dancing for the dragonfly nymph, a sight to see. Days passed, and Dawn's dance grew more and more grand, attracting other creatures from the pond's sandy strand. Fish, frogs, and even more dragonfly nymphs came to see. A spectacle they'd never witnessed, a sight to remember with glee. But one day, as Dawn danced, he felt a sudden sting. A parasitic wasp had joined the spectacle, its wings spread wide and soaring. "Why do you sting me?" Dawn asked, his voice filled with sorrow. "I've brought joy to many, helped them feel a little less bore." "I've come to lay my eggs on you," said the wasp, "it's my life's decree." "But what will happen to my dance?" asked Dawn, his voice filled with plea. "Your dance will live on," said the wasp, "in every larva you hatch." "But what if they don't dance like me?" cried Dawn, his heart filled with ache. "Your dance is unique, but it's not just the moves that matter," said the wasp. "It's the joy you bring to others, the happiness you impart." "I see," said Dawn, his eyes filled with newfound wisdom. "My dance isn't just for me, but for all who witness it, a gift to give them." And so, Dawn learned a valuable lesson that day, about the power of joy and the impact it can convey. He continued to dance, spreading happiness around. For every creature in the pond, his dance was profound. And the moral of the story is, always remember, the joy you spread to others can be a priceless gem. So dance, sing, and share your light, make others smile. For the world needs more joy, and less reasons to wile.